came to see from Naya. She said.
From Naya? From Naya is not.
I don't understand this. What's the meaning of this?
Can you start going? Please, Nanya, you're going. I don't want somebody's boss like her. Please.
Just don't worry. Get on first. This is not fair. It's not happening. What nonsense? Tell me. I saw the exist and what just happened. Seriously, I don't like this. What are you doing? What you saw where? Eh? When I was telling you to go and pay her bride price, what did you say to me? You told me your father said she must graduate first. Now she's old enough to make her choice. Why are you complaining? See, now he's trying to leave you. Trying to leave you? Or she has left you? Eh? Listen. Yeah, this is a dream. I'll wake up. It's a bad dream. Listen, you're not dreaming. Okay? As you can see, are you not seeing my hand? That means you're not dreaming. But Body, is that where you stop?
No, this is absolutely not.
No, what's not happening?
Not fair. No.
What's not fair? What is not fair? Tell me. What's not fair? I thought I called you.
Oh, see, Mama, you have no problem. You know what I mean? You ain't got problem. You see, they call me Desmond. The Don. Desmond Olena Cash. Money talks, bullshit works. You see this money right here? This moolah, baby, is what I do for a living. I help people. You see, anything, Mama, you want and laugh, I'll just order it like real quick. So you don't need to worry about anything laugh because I'm bigger than laugh. Name it. You want it to be ordered from United States? You want it from Malaysia? You want it from Afghanistan, Mama? You want it from South Africa, Johannesburg? Be it in Japan. You want me to order from there? That's what's up, Mama. I say, so you ain't got problem. I'm Desmond Olena Cash. That's what they call me. Money talks. And they say bullshit words. Say,
oh, the Don.
Mama, you ain't got problem. And I tell you something, Mama. What you ought to be doing in your life at all time, go to church and say, Hail Mary, full of grace, Lord is with thee, blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Father Almighty, I thank you for bringing Desmond, the Don Desmond, into our life. I thank you for bringing the Don Desmond into our family.
I'll do that, my son. I'll do that.
I trust you, Mama. I trust you. Now, without time wasting, like I said, money talks, bullshit words. This is all called moolah, baby. Moolah, baby. Moolah, baby. Mama, this for you. Right there. I've not started. I ain't started yet. That's moolah right there. Baby, this for you right there.
For me? Hey, thank you,
That's
baby.
for my baby. I told you I'll do anything and laugh for you. As long as you keep being good, you're my responsibility. As long as you keep being good, you will shine until you die. Now where's Papa?
He has gone out.
Okay. That's for Papa right there.
Desmond, this is too much for us.
Mama, I've always told you, stop saying, what? I've not even started yet. You see, I live this life for y'all. You are the only family that I know in this life. So if I don't do it for you, who do I do it for? No, if I don't do it for my baby, who do I do it for? If I don't do it for my boo, who do I do it for? If I don't do it for my shorty, who do I do it for? You see, I'm going to turn this village upside down because of my goal. I don't joke with my goal. I don't joke with my sweetie. I don't joke with my boo. Now, mama, listen real good.
Yes.
I've got a surprise for y'all.
You do?
Yeah.
What?
I want to get a new whip for my girl.
Whip? A whip? To whip her?
Come on. You see what I keep saying? That's why I want to take you all out. To upgrade you all a little so you can be a little bit more exposed in life. Whip means car.
Cool. Car! That's what I'm talking. He's gonna get you car!
That's what it is, mama.
Hey, you get you a car!
Thank you so much, my
Baby,
darling.
you don't need a mission. You don't need a mission. You don't need to start thinking, man. Your life is my life. Your life is my life. So, mama, like I said, you ain't got a problem. Everything is covered up. So, I think I'll be leaving. I'll see you all later in the day. Is that okay? Then I'll come through with my father. I'm gonna come through with my dad.
Well, let me sing him up. Okay.
It's like I told you, anything for my baby, anything for my boo. Anything for my baby, anything. Big girl, mama.
The dawn.
I'm gonna come through with my
Yes.
dad.
Hey. See, this one didn't come here to see all of us.
I don't know who that boy is.
Hey, now that God has buttered our bread, oh, child. You're not being cooperative. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Which God? The same God you were jumping up and down thanking when Olisa came to pay for Naya's school fees? That same God?
Wait. Do you know that God has just remembered us? Our house is flowing with honey. So what else would you want from God?
Not that type of honey. There must be sand inside that honey. I don't enjoy so much. Good honey doesn't come like that. This one that is doing his eyes, chan. It's not good. It's not a good thing.
You've not even tasted the honey yet and you're complaining about sand. Anyway, this is the money that I said I should lift.
Take this thing away from me. Did I ask him for money?
So you're not taking the money? No problem.
Look, let me tell you. Whatever you people are planning with that young man, count me out of it. I am not part of it.
But there's something I want to tell you. If you chase this boy away with this your attitude, you will not find peace here. Mark my words. I will make life unbearable for you.
This is pure madness.
Okay.
When the trouble comes.
Before the trouble, since you're not taking this one, I'll go to the market and get that judge I've been begging you to buy for me since. Who told you that?
I couldn't believe what my eyes saw today.
I don't believe that. From Naya that I know loves Olisa with all her heart. I mean, she is deeply in love with Olisa. From Naya cannot be with another man. It's not possible.
My dear, I couldn't believe it myself. That's why I want you to ask her. Please, talk to her.
This is serious, though. Anyway, no problem. I'll go to phone Naya. Then I'll ask her if all these things that you're telling me is actually true. If she's marrying another man.
Not just marrying, is she seeing someone else? I don't want anybody to hurt my friend, not from Naya. I don't want it.
So when are you going back?
My dear, I'm not going back again. Akokalia has gotten me a job in our community's microfinance bank.
Really? Really? Oh God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Hey, God, I thank you. Eh? Ha, may God continue to bless you. May He strengthen you. May He keep opening doors for you in Jesus' mighty name. I pray. I'm so happy.
Oh my God, baby. I never knew all this while that I had a prophetess as a girlfriend all this while.
Baby, God.
Baby. Baby. You know what I want?
No.
To drink for me.
Ha, I will give you anything you want today. I'll come away for me. Oh my. What is this that I'm hearing?
What are you hearing?
That you're seeing another man. Why do you like gossip a lot? Why?
Are you trying to tell me that what I heard is not true?
Is that why you came here? Tell me, is that why you are here? To discuss my private life? Eh?
Naya, if what I heard is true, it's not fair.
I do not want to talk about that. If that is why you've come, then please, I don't want to talk about it. If you won't help me, then leave it.
Naya, for crying out loud, you're my cousin and my best friend. Yeah. If I hear anything bad, I have to come to you and ask you.
Ask me what? What are you asking me, Ebere? After you've sat down with them and gossiped me, now you're telling me you're my sister, you're my this. Let them gossip. I don't care. Oh. They should gossip all they can. I don't care. I don't.
Naya, I have this feeling that something bad is about to happen.
Something bad?
Yes.
You're feeling that something bad is about to happen. Prophet Ebere, keep feeling. You will not talk about something else, oh. It's just me. By the way, it's your turn. Let's talk about you for once at least.
I know you want us to change the topic.
We have to change the topic. Because we've been talking about me all this while. It's your turn.
No problem. Let's talk about me.
How about Onyeka? Your boyfriend?
My Onyeka is fine. He has gotten a job in our community's microfinance bank. And he will be starting job next week, Monday.
Hey! That's a good news! My dear, this is what we are begging God for. Good news! What is that? At least you can be able to buy you cream. Look at you. How dry your skin.
You are insulting me. No, I'm giving you the permission. Insult me more.
Hey, my sister, seriously, let me tell you, let's be sincere to ourselves. Every girl on earth needs a man that can comfortably take care of her needs. It's very, very important.
No, Nanya. No man on earth can provide all that a woman wants. It's not possible.
Story. If I hear.
Nanya, seriously, if you ask me, I prefer love. You see, love is very, very important.
Yeah.
A man can give you all he has in this world, but without love, it is useless.
Sorry.
I am telling you the truth. Or are you trying to tell me that you're not enjoying how Olis has been treating you and loving you?
First and foremost, nobody in this life will love don't help. Who love help? Will you eat love? And for your information, it's not Olisa that is taking care of me. It's Olisa Biniwe, God in heaven, that has been taking care of me. Not Olisa. Please.
Naya, wait though.
I don't understand you. You're sounding strange.
Yes. My dear, the only constant thing in life is change. And as a matter of fact, I have not changed negatively. I have changed positively. I am now a matured woman. Yes.
Real woman indeed. Sokoto has really changed you.
Positively. Positive change. You want to?
Are you telling me that Naya did not come out to see you at all?
The only thing I could figure out is that while I was in their living room, I noticed she passed from another room to the other. And she saw me, but she turned her face.
Hey! All I know is that there is something to be unraveled. There is something fishy.
Well, I think they're up to something. Because the way the mom treated me like a total stranger, it was amazing. I was full of shock. How people can change. But not to worry. There is nothing hidden under the surface of this earth. Shall see.
Well, what I want to ask is this. Let's forget about what Ogoma did. I know the type of a woman she is. What did they?
Nothing.
Huh?
Yes. Apart from the fact that once in a while he just exclamates, he just say this or that. But eventually, the only thing I could figure out that he said is that madness has visited his house.
He said it?
Yes.
That madness has visited him. He's right then. Yes. Madness indeed. Madness has visited him. In fact, madness is already dwelling with him. Huh? So, something is actually wrong somewhere. But all I know is this. We have to apply wisdom here. Let us just use our legs to fish out whatever has fallen inside the snow.
Papa, Mama, I just want to believe that it's not what I'm thinking that is about to happen though. Because if it happens, I'm not going to take it easy. I will not. I will not take it easy.
Calm down, my son. Yeah? Calm down, let's watch and see. Let's see what to do.
Papa, what if I'm coming down and things that goes out of hand? Yeah? What?
My son, what will be will certainly be.
That is it.
Huh? What is it? Nothing will even go wrong. And in this matter, we have just two options. To handle it or to leave it where it is. But
that is it.
Huh?
Your father is correct if you ask me.
I just don't understand this. I don't get it.
Mama, oh, good afternoon. Mama, I hope there's no problem. Hey, Mama. Hey. What did you buy for me from the city? Baby, why are you behaving as if you did not miss me? Why you did?
But you're also pretending as if nothing happened. To you, what happened in your house yesterday was child play?
Oh, baby, come on. I was going to... What are you talking about? You're still talking about yesterday?
Because it's serious to me. Yeah, because you that did it will forget, but I was heartbroken. I didn't sleep all through the night.
Sweetie, I'm sorry. I'm here now with you, okay? Okay. How is business?
Fine.
It's okay now. You shouldn't be angry with your love like that.
Fumunaya.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
You are here.
Yes, sir. Baby, come on, I'm sorry. It's me. It's your phone, Nanya. My darling, I'm sorry. I apologize once again. I'm deeply sorry. Okay? Get up. Let's go inside so you give me what you bought for me from the city. Oh! Let's go. Yes, but have you What are you doing?
I'm checking out some clothes and I'm trying to see which outfit will be good for that day. That's the day. Yes. Which day is that day? The day our in-laws will be coming to do something on your head. Hi! Don't you think this is nice? Whether you like it
My sister, I am the happiest girl in this world. Do you know that Odisa paid 2 years house rent for me in the university? Yes, that means during my stay in the university till I'm done, I will not pay nothing. Shish, I won't pay. Hey!
Nanya, you're not just lucky. You are blessed. Hey! Odisa is a kind and wonderful man.
My sister, I cannot wait to be called his wife. I can't wait.
I just pray that you will not break his heart later.
What kind of talk is that?
I know what I'm saying. You're already in school, and school might open your eyes. You start seeing Olisa as a common man.
What could be? Ebere, why would you say such? How can I see my own Olisa, my sweetest heart, as a common man? I will never do that. Please, don't say it again.
Okay, yes, God will forbid it. But I know why I'm saying this. I just want you to have it at the back of your mind that Olisa is one man you shouldn't hurt. He is such a caring man.
I can never hurt Olisa. I love him so much. How can I hurt a tall, handsome, young man whom God has given to me to wipe my tears and that of my family? I can't do that. Who will throw such a man away? Who will not embrace a man like Olisa? No.
You say that because you're my sister and I am.
Hey, that's what you will say. Hey!
So how is school?
It's fine, no. You've seen me now.
No, you're shining.
Hey!
What?
How is uncle?
My father. He went to Mazio KK's bar to enjoy himself.
As usual. Uncle can enjoy. My sister, that's aside. You know you're such a wonderful cook. And I said to myself, Nanya, you will not come back to this village and return back to school without enjoying a Beres delicacy. Please, my sister, I'm hungry.
As if I knew you were coming. I prepared a very delicious abacha. And you know it's your favorite. I am telling you.
You ate peas.
I did.
How are you?
I'm fine, my dear. You didn't tell me you're back.
Well, I just came back now. And I decided to come and see you first.
You're welcome.
How is Mama?
Inside.
Okay, let's go and see.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please take care of her. We're coming back, okay?
So how are you? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Why are you not looking at me? Are you dashing?
Mama?
Hey! My son.
How are you, Mama?
I am fine, no. It's just this my eye. I started again.
Mama, you don't have it will be solved this time around. Yes. I'll be taking you to a specialist hospital in Kaduna. Where they will take care of your eye. And by a specialist even at that.
Take me to Kaduna?
Yes.
For eye treatment?
Yes. Take care of
God bless you. God bless you and replenish your pocket.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey!
What of Papa?
Papa, he has gone out to see his brother Anika. But he'll be back soon.
Okay, no problem. We'll go so that I can give you the things that I bought. No problem. Mama, going out tonight. Well, however, get prepared though. The day after tomorrow, we're going to Kaduna.
I'll buy you. Plenty of vegetables. Okay. And
later.
Okay, see you people. They think I don't know where they're going to. This girl has stopped going to church since she started. Oh, I didn't do it with her father. I was very careful.
I hope you guys are not talking about us.
Must we discuss you? We are discussing about ourselves.
See you, I don't trust you. You can maybe ask yourself. I don't trust you. Come here.
Sweet.
You have done a lot for me. I can't even count them.
Could have told you time without number. That you should stop praising me or thanking me. Everything I did it for you, for us.
I know, but there are a few men in this life that have a heart of gold. And you're one of them. You're different.
Same way, there are few women like you who are this sweet and wonderful. And that's the reason why I pray so hard, begging God to give you grace to graduate on time, so that you can be my wife.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Once I'm done from the university, you can go and see my people.
Cindy. Cindy and Wendy.
Oh my God.
You know what? I think we should go inside and start practicing how to be husband and wife. Yes. Let's go.
This one you're sitting like this, staring at your blouse. Oh, what is it?
Mom, I'm not happy at all. I'm feeling very guilty.
Guilty? Guilty for what?
Mama, you sound as if you don't know. You're telling me to leave Olisa and get married to Desmond. If I marry Desmond, that will hurt Olisa so much. Olisa has done enough for me. For us, Mama.
Okay. So what is it that Olisa has done for you and us that no other human being has done for anybody?
Mama.
Eh?
Why are you sounding as if you've forgotten so soon? He has done a lot for us.
Wait, so you're trying to tell me you cannot exist without Olisa, eh? Is that what you're saying? Now let me ask you a question. When you met Olisa, were you not a virgin?
Mama.
Yes! Answer now. Then Olisa came and you opened up for him. And he took the special thing meant for your husband. So, it's give and take. He took from you and gave you back.
Mama!
So don't tell me about what he has done for you.
Mama, stop this thing you're saying. I don't like it.
Stop telling me to stop it. Okay, answer me. Are you still a virgin? Am I lying? Are you a virgin now?
Mama, stop now.
Oh yeah.
Mama, please. I can't pay Olisa enough for what he has done for me.
My daughter, please stop talking about Olisa. Think about Desmond. Desmond is a good man and he is rich. He will take care of us.
Mama, you keep talking about getting married to Desmond. What about love? I'm not even sure if he truly loves me.
That is not a problem. By the time you move into his house, you will know that he truly loves you. From the little I've seen him, what he's been doing and the way he's been taking care of, it is very obvious he loves you.
Mama, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why?
You really want to know why? No. You think you're in love with Olisa, right? I was in love with your father. When you talk about love, people knew us now. I was in love with him and that was why I married him. You know Akwilili of Uzobodo? He came to marry me now. Who is richer than Akwilili around here? He came to marry your mother. But I turned him down because I was in love with your father. Do you know that when I go for meetings and I meet Akwilili's wife, I hide? Because I always come in this wrapper that is like nylon, falling all over the place. This woman will wear the best of Georges, cord lace, big cloth. I'll be hiding myself. Even when I see Akwilili in his jeep and he wants to wave, I take cover. You don't need it. You understand what I'm telling you?
But Mama, my Olisa is not poor. He's not a poor man. He's okay.
He's okay. Olisa that can't even manage himself. That's Olisa that's been riding one car for the past 5 years. He's not a poor man. You're waiting for him to get down to Keke before you call him poor. Do you know every time I go around that mechanic workshop, Olisa is there fixing the car. If he's not helping mechanic to, he's helping him to knock. If mechanic is under knocking, Olisa will be on top covering or knocking. If mechanic is on top knocking, Olisa will be under blowing. What kind of poverty is that? As old as he is, he's still living in his mother's house. My daughter, if you marry Desmond, your whole situation will change. Desmond is rich. He has cars. He has his own house. When I come for Omugo, I will have somewhere to stay. Feel free and feel like a big woman. You change my clothes. If you marry Olisa, you know that his mother is as big as myself now. We'll be trying to sit on one chair. Maybe one day the chair would even break. You know that chair in that corner in their house where she's always seated. Don't go there, please. I know why I'm trying to protect you. Besides, knowing Desmond is already showing in our lives. So, my daughter,
Papa, good afternoon.
Again? How many times will you greet me this afternoon? Eh?
Papa, I want to tell you that Desmond and his people are coming this weekend.
And how is that my business?
Papa, they are coming to pay my bride price.
Look, I want to rest. Just leave me alone. I don't want to talk about some rascal now.
Papa, Desmond is not a rascal.
I don't need you to tell me what he is or not. Now, let me ask you, Christian. Have you taken time to look at that young man? Does he look like somebody that wants to get married to you at that matter? Huh? Does he look like somebody that knows the value of a woman in a man's life? What he cares about is brag and boast about the sum of money he has.
Papa, I'm not complaining. I love him like that. I'm not complaining.
I don't care if you are complaining or not. But listen to me. Count me out of that thing you and your mother started. I will not be a part of it. And I don't want to talk about it again. Leave. Now let's leave this place. That's mommy. That's me. Look at that. Coming to me. It's sunny.
Oh, please, what do we do? I don't want to lose Desmond.
Don't you trust your mother?
I do.
Don't worry. I know what to do. I don't know what is wrong with my husband. Yeah? Good things are coming our way and he just doesn't seem to be interested.
I don't really understand. Let me understand.
Well, there's this young man that came back from overseas. The man is handsome, he is loaded, he's very rich. And he's asking for full 9 years and they married. But your brother, my husband, is against it.
Why would he refuse a thing like that?
Oh. Well, I think it's because of that Olisa that trained the full 9 years in school. So he's not going to be in support of any other person getting married to her.
Well, I will go and consent to him.
Nani, please, I don't really want you to talk to him. What I'm here to ask of you is to stand in for him. Act like Funanya's father when the in-laws come. After all, you're Funanya's father's elder brother. Funanya is also your daughter. By the way, this is something good from our in-law. I want you to enjoy with me. This is just small.
Huh?
Yes, so there's more from where that is coming. It's only your brother that will use this kind of thing.
Hey! Don't worry. I will even invite Wednesday and the Ofoka. Who will be there?
We don't need to invite all those people. We don't want a crowd. My in-law wants to use money to cover everything. So we don't really need a crowd. Oh, just your presence. That's all we need.
Okay. Just count me in. Hey! I'll be there.
That is what I always talk about you. You're always very supportive. And you're very understanding. Nani, Biko, I have to be on my way now, eh?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bless you. Hey.
Thank you.
Where did you get all this money from?
What is your problem in this game? Why do you ask where this money is coming from? Will you go inside there and prepare me food?
Papa, you called me.
Yes, sit down. I want to ask you a question. And I want you to be truthful. Tell me the truth.
What is it?
Has police offended you in any way?
No, Papa.
He has not offended you.
Yes.
Then what is going on?
Nothing, Papa. Nothing is going on.
Nothing?
Yes, Papa. I just needed a breath of fresh air.
What does that one mean?
Papa, can't I have another friend again? Olisa is not the only man in this world. I have right to mingle.
You have not answered my question, and you know that. What do you mean by breath of fresh air?
Papa, I want you to know that I'm a grown-up woman now. And I know exactly what I want in a man.
And you don't want Olisa any longer?
Have I never said so? But it is not ordained that Olisa is my husband. God did not create me and made it mandatory that I must get married to Olisa. No, it's not like that. You're making it look as if I'm a very wicked person, but I am not. He saw me through school. Is he the only one that have trained someone in the university? He is not. Please, you should allow me. I'll not kill myself for him.
Let me tell you the truth. If you go ahead to do what you and your mother are planning to do, you are not just wicked, but you are heartless.
Papa!
Why did you go ahead to give the young man hope when you know that he was no longer good enough for you? Why? Now, I want you to remember how everything started. Because I remember it, I had it in my hand, like yesterday.
What is it, Mama? Wait, Mama. He's inside. What happened? Mama. If you see what happened today, say what it is now. Mama, I am the happiest girl in this village. Okay, if you're not ready to tell me, then you just mind your business. Mama. Yes? Olisa has promised to send me to the university. What did you say? I said he has promised to send me to the university. Hey!
Olisa promised to send you to the university?
Papa, I will be starting school on Saturday. It is confirmed. Hey. Awesome God you are. University. Yes, sir.
Olisa, that boy has the heart of a father.
I'm telling you.
Let me just go and say thank you to him.
It's not let me. Let us.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey.
I called two of you because I feel I have something important to say to you. We all know that things are very hard. Yet Olisa wants to pay for Nanya's university school fees. I think he has lifted the heavy burden off my shoulders, off our shoulders. And I would want us to always remember him in our prayers so that his pocket will never run dry.
You've spoken well as usual.
Thank you, my dear.
You know, those days that we were thinking of where to raise money for, to pay for her school fees, I mean, I had sleepless nights. Every night I'll stay awake and wonder and think. And this young boy, such a child, comes and decides to pay for her school fees.
Oh.
It's only God that can pay him back.
Amen.
I will never in my life forget this good gesture. Never. Never.
It is good that we don't forget it. Funai, there is something that Olisa saw in you. He saw the star in you that attracted him. Please don't let that star run dim. Don't disappoint us. Always remember where you came from and put God first in everything you do. Please.
Papa, I promise you, I will never disappoint you.
Thank you, that's right.
I trust my daughter. You see this girl?
Yes.
I trust my daughter. I said it 2 times for emphasis. I know the kind of person she is.
That's right.
Now, that Aki,
yes.
I don't know if we can bring it to you now.
Yes, I'm already hungry.
Okay. Akide. Kilede.
In my next life, I will marry you.
You're gone.
Yes, my dear. Please sit down.
Oh.
Just sit down. Hey! Very sweet. You cooked very well. As usual.
Thank you. Thank you.
As usual. Hey! I want you to know that Olisa and Funanya will strengthen the relationship between the two families. And I want us to avoid anything, any act at all that will cut the relationship between the two families.
Nani, I understand where you're coming from.
Thank you.
And I want to assure you, from now on, I have taken Olisa as my own son.
Oh,
no one
thank
would
you.
want to hurt his own person.
Thank you so much. That is what I mean. We shall take him as our own. Our own now.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Please get me more water.
More water. Okay.
Do you know why I called you out here?
No, Papa.
There is this saying that only a fool does not remember where the rain started beating him. Because definitely he will not remember where it stopped. Olisa and his people saw something in you. And they love you as their own.
I know, Papa.
Do you also know that it is a terrible thing to bite the finger that feeds you?
It's not a good thing, Papa.
Do you know why it is important to announce the coming of the rain before it eventually comes?
Papa, I know exactly where you're heading to. And I promise you, my father, I will never disappoint you. I won't.
Look at my eyes. Don't fail me.
Never. Never, Papa.
My father, my father.
You're welcome, my daughter. How is school?
School is fine.
Welcome.
Because your daughter is now a graduate.
You don't mean that. Yes. You graduated. Mama Funaya. Mama Funaya.
Yes, I'm coming.
Come and hear this with your ears. Come. Hey! Okay.
Funaya,
Mama,
you didn't tell me you were coming.
that is because I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes, Mama.
What is the surprise?
Which is that your daughter, Funaya, is now a graduate.
I can't believe this. My daughter a graduate?
I'm telling you, Mama.
Graduate mom. Hey! Olisa, my son. Holy boy. Holy Baba. God will bless you.
Amen.
You will see no harm.
Amen.
Anybody that tries to harm you, hey, God will massacre. He will destroy.
Amen.
Will give everything back. God will
Amen.
do to the person.
Amen.
Hey! You know what? This calls for a celebration. Oh, yeah. We'll go outside and keep my biggest call. Let's go inside. Hey! Please, I graduate. I will give my biggest call.
Papa, don't say this. Are you serious?
Let me ask you one question.
All right.
You have been visiting Olisa in the city.
Yes, I do.
Has he said anything to you like he wants you?
Papa!
No, I'm a man. You know, I'm a man. And I've seen that he likes you.
Yeah.
Has he said anything like that?
See, Papa, he wants it to be official. And we both agreed that after my NYC, then he will come and meet you for the proper rites.
Oh, so that means two of you already have it in mind.
Yes. Papa.
That's what I want to hear.
Yes, we love ourselves.
Yes. What about you? Have you told your mother?
Mama knows now. She knows already. Yes, she does.
And she has kept it from me all this while.
Mother and child. You mustn't hear everything, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Hey!
Papa, why will you keep dwelling in the past? This whole thing is gone. Allow it to remain in the past.
It is the past that brought the present, and the present we bring tomorrow. If we don't have the past, we won't have the present, and we won't have the future. When you were rounding off your youth service, both of you agreed. You told me that both of you agreed to get married by January.
Papa, that was then. I changed my mind. I'm no longer interested.
You changed your mind. Now when you changed your mind, did you tell him? He is a human being. You would have told him earlier enough for him to move ahead with his life.
He can always move ahead with his life if he's so pleased. It's his life.
Have you put yourself in his shoes?
Papa, why should I put myself in his shoes? Papa, please. I did not mean to be disrespectful. But I was doing something inside when you called me. And I want to return to what I was doing.
I will not hinder you from doing what you were doing. You can go ahead and go for the whole world if you like. But God will bear me witness that my hand is not in what you and your mother are doing. So that when the law of karma will come lacerating your back, I will be here to laugh at you.
Papa,
I will laugh at you.
Karma does not have any right or any power over me. Karma can never do me anything.
Don't worry, we are all here. I will be here. You are there. We will see. We will see. Your wife came to me. Yes, I know. And I also hope that she told you that I am not in support of what they are planning. Did she tell you that? I wonder why you are not in support of such good thing coming your home. What is the good thing coming my home? That Funanya will leave the boy that suffered and trained her in the university to marry a total stranger? What is good about it?
Uchendo.
Yes?
Let me tell you right now. If on that day you refuse to be present, I, Anika, I will go ahead give Funanya's hand in marriage to Desmond.
And that's all. Am I complaining? I didn't say you shouldn't give a hand in marriage to Desmond, but you must bear the consequence with your head.
Just that. Which consequences?
The consequence that will follow. Be ready to bear it.
Look at good things coming into our family. You want to reject it?
Something good happened before now. And that good thing is Solisa.
And you left the whole house open.
Oh, I was in a hurry.
Who brought all those things at the back of the house?
What are you talking about?
Food stuff like
Meats, stockfish, even firewood and drinks.
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know?
Maybe it's Mama that kept them. I don't know. I'm not sure.
What could Mama be doing with all those things?
Baby, I just told you that I do not know. I'm just coming back. I don't know.
Naya, is there something you're not telling me?
Ebere, what's your problem? Why are you questioning me? I don't know now.
Ogoma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah.
What are you?
That your daughter is getting married.
Oh, that? Of course she's getting married. Oh, you've not heard? Hey, God has been awesome.
He sent one wonderful man, very tall, fair like this. They call him the Dawn. He wants to marry my daughter. He is loaded, I'm telling you. Yes. After all what my Ogoma, have you forgotten? The same daughter you couldn't train. You can't pay her university fee. You asked her to go and learn how to sew. And I took it upon myself, begged my son to train that girl. At the end of the day, you are telling me this. He's getting married to the Don. He has money. Look at what you're saying. You! Mama Lisa. Forward ever. Backwards never. After all we've done for your family, you trained. Your son trained my daughter. So? You are the one saying this? Yes! I thought your son was running a charity organization. So, must my daughter die? Because your son trained her in the university. People train people and nothing is tied to it. Your son is not destined to marry my daughter, else this dawn would not have come our way. What are we talking about? Listen, even WHO gives money to Nigeria. When we don't pay it back, they don't even harass us. So what's the big deal? Eh? If you have something better to say, you say. You're very ungrateful. I'm so disappointed. You're very ungrateful. Look at you. See the way you're talking now, your mouth is... You forgot it so soon. Don't you know what is happening in this country? Who is the president? Boo-boo! What has that got to do with what I'm saying? Have you heard of recession? Have you? So you want me and my daughter to die at this period? Your son has nothing to offer. A daughter you couldn't take care of. So God. A daughter you could not send to school. You're telling me about the country. Yes. What has that got to do with this? We need to survive. Mama Lisa, we need to survive. We were dying until this dawn stepped into our lives. You know, singing. There's nothing we can do about it though. We're moving forward, my dear. I'm sorry, Biko. Let your anger not be too high. Just, you know, I'm surprised. I'm really, really surprised that you're saying this. You're vomiting this thing from your mouth. Well, you know what? We will pay back whatever. I will tell Dawn and we'll collect the receipts from your son, calculate everything and pay you in dollars. Biko. All right? Thank you.
Love a woman, Okweron Didi, Obimbawa, Ewe Loguna Boya, love your woman over. Okweron Didi, Gosia,
Papa, my mind is telling me that money you collected from Mama from Nanya was a bribe.
Raising your voice on me? Huh?
Papa, I'm not raising my voice on you. But if what I'm thinking is right, then you're not a good man.
So, Ebere have grown so wide as to stand before me and curse me anyhow? Look, if you don't live here now, I will curse you! Hey!
Papa, I'm just saying my own. Just make sure you don't soil your hands with evil.
Get out! Look at this bed.
What's wrong with you? You're holding my hand. Tell me the truth. What is going on? What do you mean what is going on here?
Heap curses upon yourself.
Why would I heap curses on myself? After all, we're dressed in the same color. Let us do this thing together.
Love a woman,
What is going on inside?
Nanya and the mother have disappointed me. They have disappointed me. My son, what I want you to understand is that I am not part of what is happening inside.
Mama from Nanya. What are you doing here?
Mama, Mama, hold on now, Mama, stop!
Yeah!
Let's go.
Love a warm nana, Okweron Didi, Obimbawa, Eweloguna Boya, love a bomb nova, Okweron Didi, Gosia love on Ericoko, love a warm nana, Okweron Didi.
Leave me, no, you believe me, I'm okay. I'm okay. Easy. I'm okay. Then let's go. Listen, let's go. Hey! Why are you losing yourself to go mad? You're getting me scared. Stop this thing you're doing. Stop this. Hey!
Do you know, this world is terrible.
Yes, I know. Do you also know that the people living in this world are terrible people? Like them. Olisa, stop. Hey! Olisa, listen to me, let's go. On this, there's nothing you can do about it. Hey! Okay?
I'm hot too.
Stop it, this is Mero. Look at how people are looking at us.
Hey! Okay, let's go.
What are you doing? Stop this now. Hey! But people of this world are terrible. This one is just terrible. What kind of thing is this now? Oh! Hold yourself.
Eh? Hold yourself. Will you die because Fumnaya and her mother decided to shock us? It's okay. It's okay. Hold yourself. Huh?
But you see that woman will never go unpunished. She will never go unpunished.
Yes.
She will be served with the same plate that she served my son with.
What I don't understand, Mama, is what she gave to my Fumnaya. Oh, what she did to her. I made Fumnaya to turn around on me like this. What haven't I done for her? The girl that I stood by, even in rain and in sun, there was no way Fumnaya called me that I did not answer her.
Oh.
Look at what you did to me, that is it fair? Oh!
It's not fair, but it's okay. Get hold of yourself. You are a man. Maybe that is how God wants it.
And I support your mother. Could be the way God wants it.
Let's go. But this is terrible.
Stop that. Hey, my man.
When love goes away, it may never come back again.
Dimle. Hey, let me help you.
My life is so beautiful. Mama, my life is so beautiful. Our life is so beautiful.
Hey! Instead of this food to be in the pot, it should be where?
In the stomach.
Hey!
Where is my own food?
Your own food? Which food?
For the past 2 days, I've not been served food in this house.
Papa, I don't understand you.
Huh?
Were you not the very one that said that you do not want to have anything to do with Desmond or his money? For your own information, all the food items in this house were bought with Desmond's money.
Including the tubers of yam in my barn?
Must we eat yam all the time? If you want to eat yam, go there and eat. We are not goats that eat yam.
Alright.
Hey, darling, please, when coming back, get us another cup of water. What you want to
Papa, I don't understand this mama's family. When is she coming back?
You talk as if you don't know me. She will want to finish everything.
It's just I'm hungry. And you know, I don't normally stop on the way to eat.
Let's wait for her a little while. She will soon be back. And how is Abuja now?
Abuja is just there. Only that it's getting hotter and hotter every day.
That's what we see in northern Nigeria. There she goes.
Olisana,
Mama Olisa.
I saw your car outside. I was wondering. You didn't tell me you're coming today.
Mama, you know I always want to surprise you.
How are you?
You good?
You're full of surprises.
Yes.
My husband, how are you? How are you?
Fine, my wife. My hard-working wife.
Well done with your yam.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Her name is from Naya. She's the girl that is helping me in this house. Very hardworking.
Thank you, my dear. God bless you, for helping my mother. God bless you. Welcome, Mama, I'm very hungry. I don't know if there's any food in this house.
What kind of a question is that? If there is food in my house. There's a lot of food in my kitchen. Let me go and wash my hands and get you something to eat.
You're asking if she has food. She is food herself.
But my mother is food herself.
Mama, I want to start going. Let me go and drop it.
Sizu, come, let's go to the kitchen and get something for them to eat. No. Thank you, my dear. I'm coming.
Okay.
She's a nice girl. She's a nice girl. Very hardworking. I worked with the farm. The Lord wouldn't cancel some few years.
Agunne.
Mama, I want to go to school. I do not want to be a tailor. I did very well in my exams. I even scored above the cutoff mark.
Yeah.
Mama, please, I need to go to school.
Don't worry. It's okay, stop crying. Wipe your tears. You will go to school. I'll beg my son to help you. Oh?
Mama, you will do that?
Yes.
Oh, Mama, thank you so much.
Listen, you're awake.
Is that not from Naya that's
She's the one. She came to tell me that her father wants her to learn tailoring. He doesn't have money to train her in the university. And that girl is very intelligent. She has been helping me all the time. Very beautiful girl.
I see.
My son. Is there anyhow you can be of help to her? Please. I want you to help her.
Mama, you know how it is now. You know how the economy is. My whole capital is tied down to those goods that I'm expecting from China.
Yes, you said so. Nana, at least, just small now. That girl, she's very intelligent, beautiful, and she's always helping me. That girl is always helping me. I really want you to help her.
Okay, I'll see what I'll do now. Just give that to me.
Oh, so, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama, I've always known that you were looking for such an opportunity like this. So that you can connect I and her together.
What do you mean? How?
Mama, I'm not a small boy. I'm not a small boy, Mama. And I know you. I know when you're up to something.
I know you're not a small boy. And I know what is good for you.
Okay, well, I want to go. I'll see you later.
Back. No, Mama, I want to take you one. You go back to school. Yes, you will. I need you to go home now. List out all the necessaries that you need to get before you leave for school. Especially your school fees, accommodation and feeding, and all the things that you can remember that are very necessary. Bring it here tomorrow. Okay? Then I'll see what I can do.
Sorry. Thank you very much.
Get up, please get up. Please don't ever kneel down for me. It's only God that was supposed to kneel before. Yeah? Just go home and do what I asked you to do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Meet your parents. Papa?
Good night.
Yes, Papa.
Sir, you did well, my son.
Will you listen to us?
I had a few things. You did well. Leave these things. Go and get that keg of palm wine. Listen. Celebrate in advance.
But it's not fair. You shouldn't be listening to people when two adults are involved in a conversation. It's not nice.
Please forgive me. I'm not doing that. But please let the discussion continue.
No.
Agunda.
I'll try and send the remaining money for you by Monday latest. It's just that times have been very hard now, and market is not even moving at all.
I understand, but our exams are starting on Tuesday.
Okay, I'll see what I'll do. Even if it requires me to borrow, I'll borrow. I'll send you. You guys don't worry. Just promise me that you'll study your books and stay out of trouble.
I'll do that. I'll study my books and I'll make you proud. Thank you very much.
Love is the most beautiful thing in the world. There's nothing as wonderful as.
Hey, Mama.
Hey. Oh, this is my son. I can't stop thanking you for all that you've been doing for this family. I mean, it's because of you that my daughter is in the university. God will bless and replenish your pocket.
Amen.
Mama, truth be told, it's not about me, it's about God. Because if I hadn't done it, God will still use some other person to fulfill this purpose.
You're right, but God chose you. I should be calling you the chosen one, you know. Look, He chose you because what you're doing for us here, I mean, look at her. You know, the other day we were thinking of how to put money together for her to go to the university. Now she's in her final year. And they will so call me graduate mama. It's due to your good naturedness. And we really appreciate it. Yeah. Nah, you're back.
What is it? You're in our house?
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. You already about
Papa, you know, I need to drop her at the park early so that she can get a good vehicle. Calabar is not here.
Yes, my son. Thank you so much. It's only God that will repay you for all the good things you've been doing for us.
Amen.
My son.
Thank you so much.
I want to ask of one thing. Before you go back to the city, please, I would appreciate it if you can come and visit us.
Oh, Mama, I'm going to come and eat good food.
Hey! Hi, Onisa!
Thank you so much. Be sure you read your books to justify the payment. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Hey, Onisa, look after her. Make sure she enters a good vehicle.
I will, Mama. Bye-bye. Let's wait.
Nah, be going. Let me look at my daughter. Oh. Bye! Hey, she's holding her tight.
I just don't know how to thank you for everything you've done for me and my family. May God Almighty continue to bless you. You've done so much.
But from now, I've told you not once, not twice. Stop praising and thanking me. It's not necessary.
No, it is.
Why?
You've loved, cared, and you've always been there for me and my family.
So
you deserve my gratitude, my dear.
Anyway, for me, all these praises and thanks that you're giving to me, they all belong to Almighty God. Because He's the one that makes everything possible. It's through His grace, love, and provision that we're even alive. I mean, so just forget it.
I know, but it only takes a man with a good heart. A man with a beautiful heart, just like you. You know I love you.
I love you too.
There is something I would want to tell you, but I don't even know how to start.
Just say it.
You know I really love you, from the depth of my heart. And I would be the happiest woman on earth if we could be husband and wife. I don't know, but it will please me so much to wake up one morning and I see you lie beside me as my husband. It will please my soul. I don't know if I'm overstepping my boundary, but I'm just saying.
In that case, marry me. Yes, Funaya. Will you marry me?
Are you asking me? Of course I will marry you. Oh my God.
Till it's gone. Don't break the heart that loves you. True love is hard to find. When love goes away, it may never come back again. Don't break the heart that loves you.
I was thinking, since I'm almost done with my service, don't you think we should proceed with the marriage plans?
Yes, you're right, but I spoke to Papa about it. And he said we should hold on at least that we have just barely 3 months to finish your youth service. That we should just wait and after that we can get married. I think he's right if you ask me.
Okay. What about January?
I think January is a perfect time.
I can't wait to be the mother of your kids.
I can't wait to be your husband.
Oh.
Waking up next to you every morning and sleeping next to you every night.
agaghị m ekwe ọ bụla ajọ nrọ ka m kwurite ifeọma m ji n'aka ọ danara m
I'm going to wake up and it will be all a dream. Yes. I'll wake up and it will be a dream.
Love unere koko, love a warm nana. Okwero ndidi, obi mbawa, ewelo obu na boya, love ebo.
Honestly, I don't know if Nanya could do that.
Tell you the truth. I'm so perplexed. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to believe.
What has that man done to Nanya?
I don't know. The only thing I know is that I have checked myself totally and there's no way that I hurt Nanya. I did not hurt her. The only wrong thing that I probably must have done to her is to love her genuinely. That's all.
This is madness. I will go and talk to her.
Please do. Do your best for me, please.
Listen, you are a man. You have to be strong. I know that you love Nanya with all your heart. Please, try and be strong, okay?
I'll try.
Please do.
Thank you so much. I will see you again.
Okwero ndidi, gosi afo, love unere koko, love a warm nana. Okwero ndidi.
What did he tell you? What do you mean?
You want to leave him for another man? After all he has done for you. Have you asked yourself where you would have been without Olisa?
I know what I want in a man. I know exactly what I want in a man.
Oh, really? Were you not the same person that told me that Olisa was all you wanted in a man? And how good and nice he was to you?
I know Olisa more than you do. There's no way you can compare Olisa to Desmond. Desmond is a rich guy. Olisa is still managing his life. I want someone that can comfortably take care of myself and my family. Please, I do not want to suffer. Olisa should go. I need a rich man. Yes.
Okay. Now I get it right. So it is all about money now.
Before? Who doesn't want money? You that is seated here. Don't you want to marry a rich man? Please, don't even go there. I want a rich man as a husband.
Funanya. It's not fair.
Funimi.
It's not fair at all what you're doing.
I mean, I don't understand you. Seriously, what is even your problem? Are you not supposed to be happy for me? For my progress so far? As your sister, are you not supposed to be happy?
How will I be happy that you're dumping a man that made you what you are today?
Oh, please stop it. What are you talking about? So you're trying to say without Olisa I would have been a dead person?
Without Olisa, you wouldn't have been a graduate. Have you not heard stories about girls who did the same kind of thing you're doing to Olisa and how Nemesis caught up with them? Have you not?
Ebe, please, I beg you in the name of God Almighty. Please, stop it. Why are you carrying this issue up as if it's your burden? What is it? If it's paining you so much and you feel I have hurt Olisa, why don't you go and console him by getting married to him so that I can rest? What is it?
Funaya, you are shouting at me because I'm telling you the truth.
I was busy inside before you called me out. I want to go back to what I was doing. When you are done beating Olisa, you can go. The gate is wide open.
Funaya.
Mama,
if I had had seen this in a dream or somebody told me, I wouldn't believe that this would eventually happen.
Are you Joseph the dreamer? Why are you coming here to talk about dreams? Let me even ask you. I heard you've been going around telling everybody that you paid for my daughter's school fees. Talking, making so much noise about it. Would you be the first person to treat someone in the university? You've been ranting and raving, talking about it. Is it supposed to be for public consumption?
Mama, do you know how much it cost me to see Fuma through the university?
How much? What is it that you've done for my daughter that no other man has done for somebody else? No, tell me now. Let's do checks and balances. Yes! Because for those 4 years, you know when you met my daughter, she was a virgin. Yes, a very religious girl. She will go to church with her chaplet, come back looking good, religious. You could feel the glow on her body. Yes! When you started eating her, 4 good years, you've been delving into her affairs. Now her breasts are almost flat. A small girl like that with flat breasts. Is it a good sign? You're the one that has to pay me back. Nonsense.
Mama.
Hey, don't call me that, Mama. I am not your mother. Don't you ever call me Mama again.
This is what you're going to say to me, Mama.
What do you want me to say? You want me to jump up and down because you think you paid for my daughter to go to school? Which university? Common university. That she was going to with Keke. Did you ever drop her off? She will trek and come back and be very tired. But you still come in the night to pick her to go and do your job.
Mama!
Papa! Why are you singing Mama like as if you're flavor? Don't you ever come in and meet your mother? Do I even look like her?
You're breaking my heart into pieces.
Oh, I am breaking your heart. When you were breaking my daughter's something you didn't know. Nonsense. Don't look. If you don't have anything to say to me, get out of my compound. Yes. Get out of my compound before I do something I will regret.
I'll go. But do not forget that there is God in heaven, and He's seen all of us. And He's capable of paying all of us.
Hey! He's already paying you. He has started paying you for deceiving my daughter. God said you should not sleep with a woman until you marry her. But you took my daughter 4 good years. Morning, afternoon and night. You think I don't see her when she's sneaking out? You'll be delving into her affairs. My friend, if you don't have anything to say today, walk out of my house. Get out of my compound. I've told you to stop calling me Mama now. Get out now. See you. Stop looking at me like that. 4 good years. Delving into somebody's affairs. Look at him. He's even crying. He's not even a man. Oh, you didn't even come with a car. Of course. The car will be back at the mechanics. I'm sure you're even owing them. You want to come and marry. Allow my daughter to marry someone that will take care of her. You've had enough. Osugo.
Have I become so small? Say no more. What did I say? Say no more.
Say no more.
As long as...
So grateful when somebody does something for you. Don't you know how to say thank you?
Did I beg him for money?
Please, don't worry. I'll keep the money for you.
It's okay, my darling. It's okay.
All for my baby. Otherwise, all for my baby. For mom, this is all good.
The dawn!
I got you,
The
mama.
dawn that makes things
I got you, mama. I got you, and I need my baby all time, man. I need my baby. My baby is more important than anyone else. Your keep snitching. You. Mama, I'll see you later in the day.
Okay.
Alright?
I got
baby,
you.
Holla at me. What did I say?
Holla at you.
Say it again.
Holla at you.
Say it one more time.
Holla at you, baby.
For the last time.
Holla at you, baby. I got you.
I got you, mama. And I need you.
niggas eating shit. I'm eating real shit. Hey, imagine that big head of a boy. That big head looked at me. Will he say, look at he's giving me money for Christmas. Imagine. No, Yeka, it's not a laughing matter at all. It's not a laughing matter. Because since I was born, I've never been this embarrassed before. Never! For what now? Eh? Olisa. Olisa, my good friend. I understand how you feel. If you will listen to my advice, I will tell you to forget everything that has to do with Nanya. Forget it. She's married already, you can't reverse it. All I want you to do is to pull yourself together and start a new life. You know how much I love you. You know. Love will certainly find you. It will. Yeah, if a prophet had told me that this was going to happen before now, I would have spat on his face, trust me. I don't care how big the person would have been. This, oh God. The greatest mistake you made was to give her your love and your heart. Yes. But if you listen to me, go back to the city and move on with your life. Before you know it, you forget everything that has to do with Nanya. You're going back to the city tomorrow. That's it. That's what I want you to do. But this is not fair. Why are people like this? Everybody cannot be like you, my brother. Why are they like this? They can't be like you. Come on. You have one voice time.
How are you? I was hunting for you. Well, I came to show you the new car that my husband bought for me. Ebere, you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? You want me to clap for you? Look, if you like, you come here with airplane. That does not change the fact that what you did to her was total wickedness and heartless.
Ebere, why will you continue to live in the past? Why are you bringing up this issue? I am showing you the car that my husband bought for me, and you're talking about what happened in the past?
Oh, you think it's in the past? Funanya, what you did to Olisa cannot be forgotten easily. Olisa sacrificed everything for you to graduate from university, and all you could do to pay him back is this.
Ebere, please let me hear what? What's your problem? Who will see a man like Desmond the Don, mind the word, the Don in quotes, and leave him for who? For Olisa. For what now? Why should I do that? Are you not enemy of progress? Eh? And for your information, my dear, my husband is taking me to SA. That is South Africa. Because I know you don't know the meaning. You're just a village girl. Oh yes. And we're going to live there forever.
And you think life is a bed of roses over there?
Ebere, what is your problem? Why can't you be happy, at least for once, for your sister that is progressing? Why can't you be happy?
I cannot be happy for what you did to Olisa. Olisa does not deserve such wickedness, Funanya.
You want to marry Olisa? Why are you so in love with Olisa? Go and marry him now. If that is your problem, go and marry him. I have dumped him. I do not want him anymore. I have a better man. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Why are you jealous for me? Instead of you to open your mouth and tell me that you're jealous, you're here whining your mouth. Can't you be happy? If you're happy for somebody else, good thing will come your way. Jealousy.
Me? Jealous?
Oh yes, you are.
Who, Naya? Jealous of who? Jealous of what? Jealous of your Desmond? No, my sister. I am disappointed that you have lost your conscience. All because of what? Money!
Shut up your mouth! I'm even very, very stupid to have come here to show you my clean life. Can you imagine? I wasted my fuel to come here to receive insult from you. And if you don't take time, you will remain in this village. Jealousy!
I don't know how I'm going to take this. It's too much for me to bear.
Take it as you see. I will talk to you like a father talks to his son. It is needless crying over spilled milk. Fulani has followed money. And I will advise you to screw up your courage. Be a man. Just carry on with your life. You will find love in no time.
Well, I've heard what you said. I'll be going.
No! Don't go! Sit down there and cry like a baby. Nah. Sit down here.
Ebere, how are you? Well, I came to tell you that I'll be traveling back to the city with my husband tomorrow. Then after 2 weeks, we'll be hitting SA, South Africa. Not saying anything.
Naya, I just pray that one day you come back to your senses. Goodbye.
What kind of jealousy is this? This your jealousy is too obvious. What's your problem? Sometimes you behave as if you're somehow related to Olisa. Are you okay? What kind of jealousy do you have?
When love goes away, it may never come back.
Baby, when are you taking me to South Africa? Baby, every time you keep telling me soon. Baby, I told my girlfriend in the village, I told the babe that I'll be going to South Africa. I can't just wait to call her with South African number so that she will know that I've arrived. Please, now when are we going?
Listen. Speaking of South Africa, is it a must that we go to South Africa together?
But you promised to take me there.
So?
I was just curious. I can't just wait to go there. I just want to see how it looks.
That's curiosity to yourself.
Stop bugging me.
You get angry at every slightest provocation. Why?
That's because you piss me off with your silly questions. Now let me tell you none of this South African thing.
Hi, baby. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Anyway, I hope you've not forgotten what today's date is.
So what's so special about today?
Today is a very special day in my life. My birthday! Baby.
You're making this sound like I won one big contract or there's a big project coming my way. So, your birthday. So what do I do?
Honey, I don't understand you. I just told you that today is my birthday, a very special day in my life. And look at what you're saying to me, my own husband.
So what do you want to do now? No, tell me.
At least you should wish me well. Long life and prosperity is all I deserve as your wife.
Oh, my wonderful wife, precious, angelic wife just said I should wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, darling. I hope that's enough.
It is not enough. You aren't going anywhere. You should take me out.
Alright, I heard you. A cup of ice cream or two will do. Maybe probably one of these fast food joints. Is that okay? Excuse me. Come on. Jen, where's Jerry? Meet me outside.
Hey, what kind of a man did I get married to? Honey, are you going out?
No. I'm not going out. I'm going in. You see?
Yeah, your wife will not kill.
Why are you talking to me like that? Is there a problem?
You see what I keep telling you about this bitch? You see what I keep telling you about this girl? Bugging me all the time. What's the problem? I wouldn't even have a moment of rest in this house.
I don't understand you. You were supposed to take me out.
Take you out? As in what? I'm sorry to disappoint you. We never had that discussion. Do you understand me? Nigga, you see what I keep telling you? No, don't tell me to calm down, Jerry. I don't like that. She's fond of this. Now you listen and listen real good. Go right in there to the kitchen and prepare my meal. That's where you belong, and the other room.
Your meal shouldn't be an excuse. Your meal is ready. I've prepared it.
Alright?
The issue is where you're going to.
You heard me. Get out of here! Bitch!